This is guide for replacing insulation and muffle furnace. The entire insulation consists of door block, door frame block, left block, right block, bottom block, top block, back wall block, insulation block equipped with heating wires, left block, right block, and top block. This is guide how to remove the damaged insulation. First, turn off the power. Before removing the damaged insulation, remove the rear cover. Remove the sensor carefully. It can be removed by hand. Remove the cable for heater. Remove the rear cover of inner container. After that, remove the damaged insulation. This is a guide how to install new insulation. Put the door frame block inside and set it up. Insert the bottom block inside. Insert the left block and right block. Be sure to insert the blocks inward with the heating wire facing each other. Insert the top block. Insert each heating wire into each hole on the back wall block. Insert the heating wire into each hole on the rear cover and fasten with bolts. Complete with wiring and sensor connections in the reverse order of disassembly.